Hi there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kimberly with Beauty by Sewn, and I'm super excited to show you today how to create a perfect pale nude lip for us mature women that isn't too trendy, it's not too frosty, it's not too white, and it complements and makes our lips look fuller and sexier. So let's get started. Okay, I'm so excited to show you how to do a nude pale lip without looking white or too frosty. So I'm going to use today this semi-naked lip color. It's a Luxe, it's a matte color. It's Luxe because it's more lightweight. It's from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I'm obsessed. What you want to do is you want to find a lip color that's the color of your lip, almost exactly, and that is going to be your pale nude. It can have a little white in it. You can see my lip is a little more blue. This is a little bit whiter. So you can test it to see that, yes, it sort of mutes out the color, but it still blends with the color. It's not completely whiting it out. So I'm going to apply that color right to the bottom lip, press my lips together, go right to the outer edge. I did have lip balm on, but with lips getting close to 50, I find that that lip balm gets sucked up really quick. Feels so lightweight. Now what I want you to do is I want you to have a lip pencil, and I want you to go over the edge of your lip with the lip pencil that's the same tone as the lipstick, not darker, not lighter. And I want you to apply lip liner here on the outer corner, out and bottom corner, and in the center bottom here. See that? And now here on the outside, I want you to use the edge of the lip liner here, edge of the lip liner, outer top corner. See how I'm scooping it out? So I'm pushing the boundaries of my lip. And then here, the trick is on the top, is I want you to not do an ornate up and down like two little mountains. I want you to almost fill in the bow with the lip liner so that it's a softer blend along the top. Then take a gloss, and what I want you to do is apply gloss right into the center of the bottom lip. You can do something shimmery, you can do something that's just glossy, clear, only though apply it right in the center of the bottom lip. And that is how you get a pretty pale nude lip for mature lips, and it doesn't look too trendy, it doesn't look too white, it's not washing us out, it's a complementing any eye look that you decide to do for your day. Huge hugs, thanks for watching.